Does it feel good? This is like the ultimate massage.
Oh, see, now it feels good. He's doing your back.
I think he thinks you're a horse with that beautiful hair.
I love it.
Rachel, honey, we're just going to walk on the far side of your base. Okay. You want me to go open that door?
Do you have my blue umbrella?
Oh, yeah, it's right there.
He's so occupied.
I
Not
love
even
it.
scratching him anymore.
You're not?
No, he's just been scratching the back.
He's a cutie. Hi,